we will learn the vocabulary of nature. Who doesn't like nature? I think everyone likes it. Now I need you to repeat after me. Nature. Animal. Insect. Pond. Bird. Sun. Flower. Rock. Tree. Let's repeat one more time. Nature. Animal. Insect. Pond. Bird. Sun. Flower. Rock. Tree. And now let's spell the words together. Nature. N-A-T-U-R-E. Nature. Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. Insect. I-N-S-E-C-T. Insect. Pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Now we are done for today. Goodbye. Stay safe.